Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI to go viral on YouTube. We've spent countless hours figuring out which AI is going to give you the best content consistently, while still being accessible to almost everyone. If you're new here, remember to hit that subscribe button for more awesome AI pro tips. Now, let's dive straight into something really exciting, using artificial intelligence. Specifically, the ChatGPT 4.0 update to make viral content. Let's go.
First off, what is ChatGPT 4.0? It's an AI developed by OpenAI that you can converse with. It's like talking to someone who knows a ton about pretty much everything. And with the new update, the features blow the rest out of the water. But how can it help you gain YouTube subscribers? Let's break it down. One of the key strategies to grow your channel is understanding your audience. You can actually talk to ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Watch this. I'm asking it to analyze trends for topics related to my niche. It can give you content ideas that are currently engaging users. By using these insights, you can create content that's more likely to attract new subscribers who are searching for these topics. If we wanted, we could ask it to further break any of these topics down, which is important because writing engaging and helpful scripts is crucial. ChatGPT can help draft your video's scripts. Let's ask it to write an intro for a video about AI in education. See? It gives you a structured and engaging script, which you can tweak as needed. This saves you time and helps keep your content sharp and engaging.
Engagement doesn't stop at just making videos. Responding to comments and engaging with viewers is key. You can use AI to come up with witty replies or answer tricky questions in your niche. So, leave a comment on this video and you can try and guess if the reply is from me or ChatGPT. So there you have it. Using AI like ChatGPT can seriously enhance how you engage with your audience and manage your YouTube channel. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Catch you in the next video.